Hello everyone, we'll be seeing how to make kadai chicken in this video. This goes well with roti, naan, kulcha, ghee rice or even plain rice. Now let's see the ingredients to make the kadai chicken. I have used Kashmiri red chili here. It won't give much spiciness to the dish, but it gives the dark color. Hence I have used 12 Kashmiri red chili. I would advise you to make this dish with Kashmiri red chili. To make this dish, we have to use a heavy bottom kadai. Heat oil in a kadai. Add in Kashmiri red chili, cinnamon, cloves and saute it lightly. In goes coriander seed, cashew nut, fennel seed and cardamom. Saute it for a couple of minutes and add in the freshly grated coconut. Now you have to saute it nicely until it turns golden brown color. This is my Amma's signature dish and I have to thank her for sharing this. My Amma is only making this dish. We have to saute it until the masala turns dark color. We have to grind it smoothly using a mixer grinder. To the same kadai, add half cup of oil. Yes, you heard it right. This dish needs more oil, friends. Add in diced onion, ginger, garlic and curry leaf. Saute it until it turns translucent. So this dish doesn't have tomato in it. This dish has two masala paste. One is the coconut masala paste and the other one is the onion paste. So we are now frying the onion in the oil. In goes curry leaves. While our onion is translucent, we have to grind it smoothly by adding water in a mixer grinder. We added the Kashmiri red chili into the onion masala while grinding. Heat oil in the same kadai and add in fennel seed and curry leaf. Add in the chicken and saute it. This is one of my favorite chicken dishes which my Amma makes. Do try this recipe and you will definitely enjoy this. Add in salt as needed and saute it. The chicken cooks itself by its own stock and we'll be adding little water only. Saute the chicken for 5 minutes and add in turmeric powder. We have used the cast iron kadai which I showed in my previous kitchen shopping haul video. Now close the lid and cook the chicken. We are not adding water to cook the chicken. It cooks by its own stock and gives really nice flavor. We are adding chicken liver and it's just optional at this stage. Add in the onion masala paste. As I said earlier, while grinding, we just added the Kashmiri red chili from the coconut masala. That's why it's red in color. Give it a good stir and cook well. Close the lid and cook the chicken for 15 minutes. Now add in the coconut masala paste. The kadai chicken will be dark reddish in color, so this darkness comes from the coconut masala paste. Adding in quarter cup of water. We just added quarter cup of water into the mixer grinder and added back to the kadai chicken. Cook this chicken for another 15 to 20 minutes. Add in garam masala powder and saute it. Look at the kadai chicken. We didn't add much water, but the chicken is cooking from its own stock. Our kadai chicken is almost ready now, but cook it until it turns dark color. So altogether it took 40 minutes for us to make this kadai chicken. So cook it until the chicken is cooked well. You can see the oil is floating along the sides of the kadai chicken. At this stage, you can switch off the flame. Our kitchen is filled with this aromatic flavor of kadai chicken. I like any dish which has coriander seed in it. Here you go, our kadai chicken is ready. I have just garnished with coriander leaf. Do try this recipe and give me the feedback. See you next video. Until then, bye bye.